Here's one of our favorite snacks. These are sweet potatoes from Costco. I think I cut up about 8 of them. So all you have to do is cut in about a quarter-inch thick. It takes me about 10 minutes or so. All you have to do is, after cutting with the same thickness, put olive oil and then put some sea salt. Olive oil, depending on your taste, your flavor profile, kind of mix it up just randomly and put that on the baking sheet. We use, by the way, stainless steel because aluminum is going to build up in your body. So get one of these because these will last forever. The other thing that we use is one more item from Costco, parchment paper. I basically lay that one layer. I kind of stack up some of the potatoes, cook it in the oven. How can people live without oven, right? Cook it in the oven for about 350 degrees and check for about 30 minutes or so. And every ovens are different. Some ovens are going to cook faster. Mine, I think 30 minutes, and then I lower it to about 300 and go another 20 minutes or so. That gets into more of a dehydrator effect. So it's gonna taste like very chewy, but not too chewy, and yet it feels like maybe like a fruit leather snack type of taste. So try that out. This is way better than buying potato chips at Costco, way healthier. This is the way to go.